ॐ यदविद्याविलासेन भूतभौतिकसृष्टयः तन्नौमि परमात्मानं सच्चिदानन्दविग्रहम् शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। वेदांत परिभाषा पेज नंबर 93। In that big paragraph, we have to see the last sentence. न च एवं विवरणाचार्य वाक्य विरोध इति वाच्यम. So I am not going to repeat what we have already seen. विवरणाचार्य वाक्य is this. त्रैकालिक निषेधम प्रति स्वरूपेण आपणस्थम रूप्यम पारमार्थिकत्व आकारेण प्रातिभासिकम वा प्रतियोगी. दिस इज द वाक्य. त्रैकालिक निषेधम प्रति स्वरूपेण आपणस्थम रूप्यम. So two types of nishedha, if you remember, swarupena or paramarthikatva akarena. So he says in Traikalika Nishedha, because in Shukti we are doing Traikalika Nishedha of Rajata. Traikalika Nishedham Prati Swarupena Apanastham Rupyam. और पारमार्थिकत्व आकारेण प्रातिभासिकम प्रतियोगी. So what is the प्रतियोगी? That is what he is discussing. स्वरूपेण आपणस्थम. आपणस्थ, आपण means market. Rupyam, which is there in the market. स्वरूपेण आपणस्थम रूप्यम is the प्रतियोगी. प्रतियोगी means यस्य अभावः. Correct?
Yes, Swamiji.
Yes, Swamiji.
So which one is not there when you say nedam rajatam? By this nedam rajatam vakya, when you are doing rajata nishedha, which rajata is not there? So he says swarupena apanastham rupyam. Apanastham rupyam atra nasti. Na idam apanastham rupyam. This is one type of nishedha. Apanastha rupyam is vyavaharikam. So निषेध प्रतियोगी one vikalpa is आपणस्थ रूप्यम, व्यावहारिक आपणस्थम रूप्यम. नेदम व्यावहारिकम आपणस्थम रूप्यम. This is one type of निषेध. और पारमार्थिकत्व आकारेण प्रातिभासिकम रूप्यम. This pratibhasikam rajatam, which I have understood as vyavaharika. This pratibhasikam rajatam, purovarti, that which is in front, Anirvachaniya Rajata, which I thought is Vyavaharika. Why do we say that this person, Devadatta or Chaitra Maitra, thinks it is Vyavaharika? Why do we say like that? Because he runs in front. He is going towards it. If he was thinking, Rajata is there, Rajata is there, then he would not run in front. He runs in front to pick it up. That means his buddhi is, this is, what is in front is Vyavaharikam Rajata. So with this understanding, he runs there. So Paramarthikatva Akarena means for Rajata, it is Laukika Paramarthika. Laukika Paramarthikatvena Pratibhasikam. This is the Pratiyogi. And that becomes the Vishaya of Nishedha. So, Purva Pakshi is asking, if you accept the way you are saying here, there will be Vivarana Acharya Vakya Virodha. Evam Vivarana Acharya Vakya Virodha iti nacha vachya. Siddhanti says, no, there is no Virodha. Tasya Pakshantara Paratvat. Because it is talking about another Paksha. Another Paksha means what Vivarana Acharya is saying, that alone is being actually pointed out. It is not any different as such. What Vivarana Acharya wants to say is this. This is a beautiful point. When we say this Pratibhasika Rajata, which is there, Pratiyamana Pratibhasika Rajata. This Pratiyamana Pratibhasika Rajata, its Nishedha, when we do Nedam Rajatam, this Rajata has Tadatmya with Idam Amsha of Shukti. Right? We say Idam Amsha of Shukti and Pratibhasika Rajata. There Anyanya Adhyasa is there. This much we understand. Vivarana Acharya says there is one more Tadatmya. The Apanastha Rajat also has Tadatmya with Pratibhasika Rajat. Because if you say there is only Idam Amsha of Shukti and Pratibhasika Rajata, Idam Amsha of Shukti says Idam. Pratibhasika Amsha of Rajata will say Pratibhasikam Rajatam. So we don't see it as Idam Pratibhasikam Rajatam. Is this how we experience it?
No.
Nobody experiences it as Idam Pratibhasikam Rajatam. How do we experience? Idam Vyavaharikam Rajatam. So there is Adhyasa with Vyavaharika Rajata also, which is what is translated as Idam Pratibhasikam Rajatam Vyavaharikatvena Jnatam, or Idam Vyavaharika Tadatmyapannam Pratibhasikam Rajatam. It is there, idam means it is in front. And it is not only pratibhasikam, it is Vyavaharika Rajata Tadatmyapannam Pratibhasikam. And therefore, when we say Nedam Rajatam, the Nishedha is of Vyavaharika Tadatmyapanna Pratibhasika Rajata. So actually it is of Nishedha is of Pratibhasika Rajata. And therefore that dosha that Purvapakshi said, Brahma and Bad will have Vaiyadikaranyam. So there is no Vaiyadikaranyam there. Because Brahma is of Vyavaharikatva Tadatmya Apanna Pratibhasika Rajata. And Nishedha is also of Vyavaharika Tadatmya Apanna Pratibhasika Rajata. Otherwise you will say what is seen is Pratibhasika Rajata. What the Nishedha is of Vyavaharika Rajata. Then that is Vaiyadikaranyam. And only Vaiyadikaranya Paksha, only Vaiyadikaranya means Hato Patatvena Nasti. Hato Patatvena Nasti. Everybody doesn't accept this Siddhanta. This is how in Advaita Siddhi it is explained. And therefore this Pakshantara is not the Mukhya Mata. Pakshantara means where you accept Vaiyadikaranya and still do Nishedha. That is how in Advaita Siddhi it is given. प्रथम पक्ष ही अधिक संगत है, पक्षांतर नहीं, क्योंकि प्रातिभाषिक रजत निष्ठ प्रतियोगिता पारमार्थिकत्वेन केवल व्यधिकरण धर्मावच्छिन्न प्रतियोगितावादी को ही सम्मत है, सर्वजनीन नहीं. It is not सार्वजनिक, means everybody does not accept व्यधिकरण धर्मावच्छिन्न प्रतियोगिताकत्वम, because it is something which is never there. Right in front of me, if there is ghata here, okay, and somebody says, Atra ghato nasti, Atra ghato nasti. How it is not there? He says, Patatvena ghato atra nasti. So, Patatvena ghata is never there. Why you have to do Nishedha? So, such kind of thing is not normally accepted. Okay. So, the first mata is the Mukhya mata, not the Pakshantara. So, the matam that I explained, where idam and vyavaharika tadatmyena pratibhasikam rajatam. This is the mukhya matam. Pakshantara would be atra vyavaharikam rajatam nasti. So this is vyadhikarana. Because what you are saying that utpatti is of pratibhasika rajata, and nisheda is of vyavaharika rajata. This is Vaiyadikaranya. So Vaiyadikaranyam is like ghato patatvena nasti. So that is not mukhya mata. Only some people accept Vyadikarana dharmavachinna pratyogita. But for our purpose and understanding, main thing is that idam amsha pratibhasika rajat, which is anirvachaniya, and vyavaharika rajat. Now in Drishtanta, let's finish this vakya. Tasya pakshantar paratvat. Anyatha, anyatha means if you don't accept it as Vaiyadikaranya, then abadhyatva rupa paramarthikatvasya, badhyatva rupa mithyatva nirupyatvena, अन्योन्या आश्रय आपातात, अबाध्यत्व रूप पारमार्थिकत्व and बाध्यत्व रूप मिथ्यात्व. What is badhya is mithya and abadhya is paramarthika. So between them, what is the anyonya ashraya? Because it is badhita, therefore you say it is mithya. And therefore you look for something which is paramarthika. Or because there is something other paramarthika, therefore you say this is mithya. Abadhyatva rupa paramarthikatva. How it is described? Badhyatva rupa mithyatva. So then there is anyonya ashraya apatti. If you don't consider this in Vaiyadikaranya way, then there is apatti. Means you will have to accept Vaiyadikaranya. But as I said, this is not in mukhya sense. This vakya is not there in Advaita Siddhi. All the other ideas are there. This vakya is Vedanta Paribhashakara has added Anyonya Ashraya. And therefore, what he exactly means as here as Anyonya Ashraya is, we can understand this way. Abadhyatvam is there, therefore there is Badhyatva Nirupanam, or Badhyatva is there, therefore there is Abadhyatvam. But in Drishtanta, even if it works, in Darshtanta, see, in Drishtanta we said, Idam Amsha of Shukti, Rajata, which is Pratibhasika, and Vyavaharika Rajatatvena Tadatmya Panna. Okay. In case of Vyavaharika Jagat, you will have to say Idam Amsha of Brahma, which is the Adhisthana. Vyavaharika Jagat. Paramarthika Jagatvena Apannam. Of Paramarthika Jagata Apannam. So, how you will prove Paramarthik Jagat, Vyavaharik Rajata and Pratibhasik Rajata? There are these two. There is something called Vyavaharik Rajata. But there is no Paramarthik Jagat and Vyavaharik Jagat as two different things. So, only in our buddhi you have to understand that Paramarthikatva, not that I have seen somewhere. Apanastha Rajatam I have seen. In that I have Vyavaharik Buddhi or Satyatva Buddhi, and therefore identified with that I can run towards this Rajat in front. There is no Paramarthik Jagat. Only in my Buddhi there is this notion that there is Satyatva in this Jagat. Satyatva only when the Sukham that comes from the Jagat or Dukkham that comes from Jagat. Only in that aspect. Otherwise, whatever doesn't give Sukham and Dukkham, towards that, I am also Udasina. I am indifferent. Only which gives Sukham or Dukkham, I take it very seriously. Means Satyatva Buddhi is only in those things. Whatever gives lot of Sukham, I cannot do its Nishedha. Whatever gives lot of Dukkham, I cannot do Nishedha. Means we have difficulty in doing Nishedha of such thing. Otherwise, Dukkham would not remain Dukkham. Sukham would not remain Sukham. So this point you should dwell on. Okay. Another point is, when Brahma Jnanam takes place, then Jagat will become Mithya. Or when I go on doing Nishedha of Jagat, then Brahma Jnanam will take place.
When I do Nishedha of Jagat, then Brahma Jnanam will take place.
Simultaneously, when we get Brahma Jnanam, Jagat is otherwise.
So two people I heard, both of them give different answers. So this is always going to be in our buddhi like this. On one hand, we will say, when I do Nishedha of Jagat, then Brahma Jnanam will take place. And the other is, when Brahma Jnanam takes place, then Jagat will become Nithya. So Brahma Jnanam will not take place if in my buddhi, Jagat Satyatvam is firmly rooted. As long as Jagat Satyatva buddhi is so strong, the Brahma Jnanam will never come. So Vyavaharik Jagat is Mithya. This buddhi I have to come, I have to get. Means I have to entertain this buddhi, this is Mithya. But only this Nishedha will not make it Mithya. This Nishedha will reduce my Satyatva in this world. The amount of importance that I give to this world, it will reduce. Then, through Shravanam, when I get Jnanam, Adhisthana Jnanam, Brahma Jnana, then Jagat will become Mithya for me. So if the Satyatva Buddhi is deep rooted, suddenly it will not go away. And therefore, more Nididhyasanam I should do of this only, that Jagat is Mithya, more than I am Brahma. But that is where I have problem. You think about it. Okay. Further, Kincha. I am not satisfied with this. अन्यथा अबाध्यत्व रूप पारमार्थिकत्वस्य बाध्यत्व रूप मिथ्यात्व निरूप्यत्वेन अन्योन्य आश्रय आपातात्. But I will move forward. If any other samadhanam I see, then I will explain. किंच न अत्र रजतम इति प्रतीतौ यथा रजतस्य स्वरूपेण पारमार्थिकत्वेन च निषेधो विषयः तथा नेह नानास्ति किंचन. That number that they have given, Kathopanishad 2:10, actually it is 2:11. Both the times, earlier in the previous paragraph also it is 2:11. And here also. इति अत्रापि प्रपंचस्य स्वरूपेण पारमार्थिकत्वेन च निषेधो विषयः. What is the nisheda vishaya? Nisheda vishaya is swarupena paramarthikatvena pratiyamana prapancha. And in the other case, in Drishtanta, Rajata. Now, pay attention to what is written in the first sentence. Natra Rajatam iti pratitau. Earlier, the Nisheda was Nedam Rajatam. Nedam Rajatam and Natra Rajatam. What is the difference?
Desha.
Hmm?
The Desha of Rajatam.
Desha of Rajatam.
Nedam Rajatam just negate the existence of the Rajatam, but in Natra Rajatam, not only negate the existence of Rajatam, but also assert the existence of the Shakti.
I didn't understand clearly.
Swamiji, Nedam Rajatam says there is no Rajatam. Here means there is no Rajatam. But Na Atra Rajatam says that in this place where I've seen, there is no Rajatam.
Okay. In Nedam Rajatam, Idam and Rajatam, they are in Samanadikaranya. Idam Rajatam na. Idam na Rajatam. Like Ghataha Patona. Idam Rajatam na. Ghataha Patona. Ghataha Patona. What kind of abhava is this?
Anyonya bhava.
Anyanya. Ghataha Patona is Anyanya bhava. Idam Rajatam na. This is Anyanya bhava. Atra Rajatam na. Atra is Saptami Vibhakti. Ghate Patona. This is not Anyanya bhava. Ghate Patona is Atyanta bhava. Ghataha Patona is Anyanya bhava. Ghate Patona is Atyanta bhava. This is the Bheda in two Vakyas. Nedam Rajatam and Natra Rajatam. One is Anyunya Bhava Pratipadaka Vakyam. Another is Atyanta Bhava Pratipadaka Vakyam. So actually, Nedam Rajatam is not accurate negation. Natra Rajatam is accurate negation. Because we are saying there is Atyanta Bhava of Rajatam, not Anyanya Bhava. Very sukshma point. Kincha, other, he could have just said Nedam Rajatam. Why the point to add Natra Rajatam? And if we don't pay close attention, we will just read it as Natra Rajatam, and without giving any importance, we will move forward. Natra Rajatam is which abhava?
Atyanta abhava.
Atyanta bhava. Nedam Rajatam is Anyanya bhava. This much you note down. Rest of the Vakya we have already discussed. Yatha Rajatasya Swarupena Paramarthikatve cha Nishedo Vishayaha. Rajata Swarupena or Paramarthikatvena. Swarupena means as it appears. How does it appear? So, it is appearing as Pratibhasika. And Paramarthikatvena means, if you take Vayyadikaranya, Vyavaharikatvena Nisheda. So, Swarupena, in that paksha, you will have to take Vyavaharika Tadatmyapanna Pratibhasika Rajata. Tasya Nisheda. So, Nisheda Vishaya is Pratibhasika only in Swarupena. Parimarthikatvena is Vayyadikaranya. Similarly, in Jagat, Neha Nanasti Kinchana. So there is no Nana, there is no Dvaitam here. Iti atrapi prapanchasya Swarupena means Vyavaharikasya Jagataha Paramarthika Tadatmyapannena Nisheda 1. Or Paramarthikatvena Nisheda, that there is no Paramarthik Jagat. This is Vayyadikaranya Mata. Second Paramarthikatva will be Vayyadikaranya. Bhinna Vibhaktyanto Dharmini Pratiyogini. Then there are two extra pages. 92, 93 are repeated, at least in my print. So just go to 94. Bhinna Vibhaktyanto Dharmini Pratiyogini cha Nayaha Sansarga Bhava Bodhakatva Niyamasya Vyutpatti Siddhatvat. भिन्न विभक्त्यंतोपस्थापिते धर्मिणी प्रतियोगिनी च. So there is one dharmi and there is one pratiyogi. If you say idam rajatam, in idam rajatam, dharmi is idam, pratiyogi is rajatam. Are they भिन्न विभक्ति अंत पद उपस्थापित और एक विभक्ति अंत पद उपस्थापित?
Eka vibhakti.
Bhinna vibhakti.
Eka vibhakti, correct. Idam and rajatam, they are in the samana vibhakti. When we say idam rajatam, भिन्न विभक्ति अंत उपस्थापित धर्मिणी. So he is not using the nedam rajatam nishedha. Which nishedha he is using?
Na atra.
Natra rajatam. Natra rajatam. So in that One is in Saptami, another is in Prathama. Na atra rajatam. Dharmi is in Saptami. Pratiyogi is in Prathama. भिन्न विभक्त्यंत उपस्थापिते धर्मिणी प्रतियोगिनी च. नयः. न is there. न अत्र रजतम. न is नय. निषेध. अत्र सप्तमी. रजतम प्रथमा. धर्मिणी प्रतियोगिनी. भिन्न विभक्त्यंतोपस्थापिते धर्मिणी प्रतियोगिनी च नयः संसर्गा भाव बोधकत्व नियमस्य व्युत्पत्ति सिद्धत्वात्. Then it should give संसर्गा भाव. What is संसर्गा भाव?
प्रागभाव
Praga
प्रध्वंसाव.
Atyanta.
So which one is applicable here?
Atyanta.
Atyanta bhava. So when you say natra rajatam according to vyutpatti, when naya has bhinna vibhaktiyanta upasthapita pada of dharmi and pratiyogi, if they are in bhinna vibhakti, it is atyanta bhava. It is sansarga bhava bodhaka. And if it is eka vibhaktiyanta, it will not be sansarga bhava. What is the abhava different from sansarga bhava?
Anyonya bhava.
Anyonya bhava. So, for your understanding, you should note these points. Actually, you should note so many things here. This is the Vyutpatti Siddha Niyama. Okay. So, in Panchapadika, Atyanta Bhava is mentioned. And in Chit Sukhi, Anyanya Bhava is given. In Chit Sukhi, the Vakya is like this. Tasmat Laukika Paramartha Rajatam Eva Nedam Rajatam Iti Nisheda Pratiyogi. तस्माद् लौकिक परमार्थ रजतम एवं नेदम रजतम इति निषेध प्रतियोगी इति पूर्वाचार्याणां वाचो युक्ति ही अपि पूर्ववर्तिनी रजतार्थिनः प्रवृत्ति दर्शनात् लौकिक परमार्थ रजतत्वेन अपरोक्षतया प्रतीतस्य कालत्रये अपि लौकिक परमार्थ रजतम इदं न भवति. इदं लौकिक परमार्थ रजतम न भवति इति निषेध प्रतियोगिताम् अंगीकृत्य नेतव्या iti. So just note this down. Sometimes you know what happens. Let's say Panchapadikakar, who was there before Chitsukhacharya. So he has written in his work, let us say, Natra Rajatam. Means they will not say directly in this way, but they will say Atyanta Bhava Pratiyogitvam. Because that is the, what is the current Mithyatva Vakya? Pratipanno Padhav
Traikalika
Nishedha Pratiyogitvam. So this Vakya, when I understand, later Acharya, Chitsukhacharya or anybody, Khandankara or Advait Siddhika, they might quote it by rephrasing it. And Natra Rajatam, they may mention it as Nedam Rajatam. It is possible. It is not that they are showing that it is not Atyanta Bhava, it is Anyanya Bhava only. They mean the same thing. So then where it is not Bhinna Vibhakti Pada, I should understand it as, because its Nishedha is being done in the Jnata Adhikarana. Adhikarana is used as known. And in that there is Traikalika Nishedha of the Adhyastha Padartha. So sometimes these statements could be like this. Okay. So Natra Rajatam is talking about Atyanta Bhava. Nedam Rajatam is talking about Anyanya Bhava. Okay. Up to this is Advaita Siddhi part. Now we are back to Vedanta Paribhasha, where we were discussing this Kevalanvaitva. So now we are back to Kevalanvaitva. अस्तु वा पारमार्थिकत्व आकारेण निषेधस् तथापि प्रमेयत्वादेर ब्रह्म रूप धर्मी न्यून सत्ताकत्वे कथम केवलान्वयत्वम कथम is missing there. Okay, अस्तु वा पारमार्थिकत्व आकारेण एव निषेध. Let's say निषेध is पारमार्थिकत्व आकारेण. Means नेह नानास्ति किंचन, so it is not there. Okay, accepted. तथापि प्रमेयत्वादेहे कथम केवलान्वयत्वम, because पूर्व पक्ष says प्रमेयत्व अविधेयत्व they are केवलान्वयी. आकाश अभाव संयोग अभाव they all are केवलान्वयी. So he says प्रमेयत्व आदेहे ब्रह्म रूप धर्मी न्यून सत्ताकत्वे. Brahma, which is the dharmi, is paramarthikam Brahma. Prameyatva, Abhideyatva, they all are vyavharika. Their Atyanta Bhava is there in Brahma. So how Prameyatva will become Kevalanvayi? Kevalanvayi, what is the definition for Kevalanvayi? What is the Lakshana?
स्ववृत्ति विरोध
Swavritti Virodhi Vrittimat.
अत्यंत भाव अप्रतियोगित्व.
अत्यंता भाव अप्रतियोगित्वम is केवलान्वयित्वम. स्ववृत्ति विरोधी वृत्तिमत अत्यंता भाव प्रतियोगित्वम. But प्रमेयत्व अविधेयत्व आकाशा भाव they are not अत्यंता भाव अप्रतियोगी, they are atyanta bhav pratiyogi, because according to Vedanta, other than Brahma, everything has atyanta bhav. Everything is anitya. When we say atyanta bhav means either it doesn't exist at all, or even if it exists, it goes away. So katham kevalanvaitvam means they are not kevalanvait. Tattvecha samasattakatva avashyam bhavat कथम बाध्यत्वम. 1 number टिप्पणी. तत्वेच मीन्स केवलान्वयित्वेच प्रमेयत्वादेहे ब्रह्म सत्ता समान सत्ताकत्व अवश्यम भावात्. If they are केवलान्वयी, they will have समान सत्ता as ब्रह्म. प्रमेयत्वादेहे ब्रह्म सत्ता समान सत्ताकत्वम अवश्यम भावात् means they will become पारमार्थिक. If they are पारमार्थिक, बाध्यत्व अयोगात्. बाध्यत्व will not be there iti akshepa. So then they will not become badhita, but they are badhita. How? So our anubhava is in Sushupti everything is badhita. Shruti says neha nanasti kinchana. So Shruti also does badha. And Yukti also you can come out with some anumanam which will do like drishyatvat mithya. Prameyatva is drishyam or not?
Yes.
So prameyatvam, avideyatvam, they all are drishya, drishyatvat, they are mithya. Tasmat brahmatiriktam sarvam mithya iti vadinaha keshanchit dharmanam kevalanvaitva kathanam kevala sahasa vijrambitam. Therefore, those people who are like Vedanti, Advaiti, Brahmatiriktam sarvam mithya. Those who say other than Brahma, everything is mithya. Brahmatiriktam sarvam mithya iti vadinaha. Keshanchit dharmanam kevalanvaitvam. Some dharmas like prameyatva, abhideyatva, they all are kevalanvayi iti kathanam. Only sahasa. Kevala sahasa vijrambitam. You have lot of daring to say such false statements. It is absolutely baseless, according to Siddhanta. Okay, we'll keep it up to this point. Now, everything is simple. Some small portions will come, but otherwise, in general, relatively much simpler. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate Om Shanti 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 Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayanam Sutra Bhashya Kritau Vande Bhagavantau Punah Punah Ishvaro Gururatmeti Murti Bheda Vibhagine Vyomavad Vyapta Dehaya Dakshinamurtaye Namaha. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.